All right. Yeah, we're gonna be replacing this mirror here, driver's side mirror on a 2009 Toyota Camry. This one is broken. We're just gonna replace it with a whole new set. So first thing to do is just pop off this protective cover here. We're gonna unscrew it, and we're gonna take this little plug out, the electricity plug for the motor. All right, push this little pin down, and then pull it out like that. We're gonna unscrew these. Okay, gotta get the right. Time to unscrew these. Don't lose these nuts. Hold the, it's gonna fall. All right, you can pull it out.
It's behind you.
I'm gonna take the other one. Take these little things off. And then we're going to screw it back on. Last thing, we plug this back in. And, well, that's the last thing. Put this back on. And we're done. And that should be it.
Nice.
All right, if you found anything useful, please like and subscribe.